Welcome to Cultivate Michigan, a local food purchasing campaign of the Michigan Farm to Institution Network. This presentation is designed to help food service directors and buyers from Michigan institutions create an account with Cultivate Michigan and take the first step in accessing a dashboard. This dashboard will help you track your institution's progress toward the Michigan Good Food Charter goal of 20% Michigan food in institutions by 2020. Let's get started. The first step is to go to www.cultivatemichigan.org and click the Join Now button in the bubble on the right center of the screen. This will take you to the registration page where you can create an account. You will be asked to create a username and password and to enter your name, the name of your institution, and a valid email address. Please know that no identifiable information about an individual institution will be shared publicly. The only data we share publicly will be combined data from more than one participating institution. Only one account is created for each institution, so if you work with a team of people who will need access to the institution's account, you will need to share the login information with the whole team so they can all have access. When you've entered all your information, click Create New Account at the bottom of the page. After you click, our managers will be notified to review your new account request, and within 48 hours, you will get an email informing you that your account has been approved. Now you're ready to log back in to Cultivate Michigan so you can fill out a profile for your institution and set up your dashboard. Go to www.cultivatemichigan.org and click Institution Login near the top of the page. Enter the username and password you chose when creating the account and click Login to log into your account. You will be prompted to complete your institution's profile before your dashboard is ready to be used. The way you fill out the profile information will vary depending on how your institution's food service program is structured. If your institution is composed of just one facility or has just one food service program, then fill out the profile using the same institution name you chose when you created your account. Answer the survey questions based on your facility's data. If instead you're responsible for multiple food service programs, like a health system with multiple sites, or a school food service director who manages multiple school districts' food service programs, you have two options. The first option is to fill out a single profile with the information for the broadest institution, for example, the whole health system. If you choose this option, you will use the institution name you chose when you created your account, and will answer the profile and all future reports on food purchases with the aggregated information for the whole system. The second option is to create separate profiles for each facility. Choose one of the facility names to place in the box, and then fill in the remaining questions specifically for this facility. Once you finish the profile and submit it, you will be taken to your dashboard, and on the dashboard, you will see a link to add another institution. Click this link and repeat this process for the remaining facilities. Please be specific when you list the name of each facility, so it accounts for location or other clarifying differences between facilities in the institution. If you choose this option of creating separate profiles for each facility, in the future you will fill out separate reports on food purchases for each facility. The profile survey will ask for the following information: the name and address of the contact person, ideally the food service director or buyer, the type of institution, the number of meals served by your food service program on an average day, whether your institution has a self-operated food service program or uses a food service management company, your general requirements for food vendors, and whether you've purchased local foods in the past. When filling out your profile, you can use the Save button at the top of each page to save the data you entered. This way you can exit the survey and return later to complete it without losing your information. The next time you log in, the system will prompt you to finish the profile before you can proceed. You'll need to complete the profile and click the Submit button on the last page in order to see your dashboard. If you have any questions regarding how you should fill out your profile or profiles, send an email to info@cultivatemichigan.org.